Run. I run fast. I run every day. Jump. I jump high. I jump with joy. Walk. I walk slowly. I walk to school. Eat. I eat food. I eat fruit. Drink. I drink water. Water is good. Sleep. I sleep at night. I feel fresh. Sit. I sit here. I sit on a chair. Stand. I stand up. I stand straight. Clap. I clap hands. I clap loud. Dance. I dance happily. I love to dance. Sing. I sing a song. I sing daily. Read. I read books. I like reading. Write. I write words. I write my name. Play. I play games. I play outside. Kick. I kick the ball. I kick hard. Throw. I throw the ball. I throw far. Catch. I catch the ball. I catch fast. Open. I open the door. The door is open. Close. I close the door. The door is shut. Look. I look ahead. I look around. Listen. I listen carefully. I listen well. Talk. I talk nicely. I talk to friends. Smile. I smile always. Smiles are good. Cry. I cry sometimes. I cry when sad. Push. I push the box. I push gently. Pull. I pull the rope. I pull hard. Wash. I wash hands. Hands are clean. Clean. I clean my room. My room shines. Help. I help others. Helping is good. Love. I love my family. Love is kind. Buy. I buy food. I buy toys. Sell. I sell things. I sell fruits. Cook. I cook food. Food smells nice. Cut. I cut paper. I cut slowly. Draw. I draw a cat. I draw well. Paint. I paint pictures. I use colors. Build. I build a house. I build with blocks. Carry. I carry a bag. The bag is light. Find. I find my book. I find it fast. Give. I give help. I give smiles.